itsmahrii and welcome back to today's video. In this video I am featuring a one product wash and go using the Shea Moisture's Black Jamaican Castor Oil Gel. This is my first time using this product, but not my first time using this particular line, which is absolutely a favorite. I love using OG products. Shea Moisture is very nostalgic as it was one of the first natural hair product brands that I used when I first started my natural hair journey back in 2012. With that being said, you guys, let's go ahead and get into today's video.
Hey guys, so I just decided that I had to come on here and tell you guys my feelings about the product right now while it is raw and relevant. So this is my first time using this product, and If you've ever tried anything from the Jamaican Black Castor Oil line by Shea Moisture, you know that scent, you know the feeling, like if you use the shampoo, how clean your hair feels, but also moisturize at the same time. It's never drying. You know how the leave-in conditioner feels, very moisturizing. Love the scent. This gel reminds me of the feeling of those products. I actually love that it's like a brown color because it reminds me of the Ampro brown gel from like back in the day. And so this is like a new version of that brown boo-boo gel. And I hate to say that, but that's what we used to call it. Like, where's that boo-boo gel? Like, so disgusting. But so far, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. We'll see how my hair is when it dries. Most of the time it'll be like the day before. I mean, like the next day, because I just get better results with next day hair. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I'll come back when I'm in the front, because the front is my problem area. Alright, so I pretty much have used, I'll say, a little less than half of the jar. So that's not too bad. So I pretty much can have, I'll say, two more, definitely one more go, and a third go with maybe a little bit from a new jar, because I did buy another jar. My hair performs best when I sit under the dryer so that it can kind of freeze my style, versus if I air dry in the humidity, or if I air dry in my house with the AC on, my hair is gonna get either frizzy and poofy, or it's just never going to dry, and then it's going to get frizzy and poofy. Instead of me sitting under the dryer, it kind of locks the moisture in, it sets the styler, it sets my hair, and I just get a better result overall. So I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer, but however, I will definitely probably see you guys tomorrow, a new day, when it is fully set. It's been pineappled, laid on, slept on, and plus baby is about to wake up, so I don't have time for all of that. So, but anyway, I will check back in with you guys. All right, so it is the next day, and I love my hair. All I did was take off my scarf and my satin scrunchie, flip my hair side to side, break whatever little cast or hold that was on my curls, and I love it. I am getting 3rd day curls or 2nd day curls depending on your hair type. I am impressed with this product. The product was affordable, but to be honest, I don't remember the price, because nowadays I just grab my products and I grab 2, keep it moving, and I'm good. It's shiny. I have a little bit of, it looks like I picked it, but I didn't pick it out. Hey guys, it is day 3 and I have a little baby on me, so I'm gonna try to hurry up and do this. This is day 3 hair, and I have a blizzard. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but I definitely have a blizzard going on. There is so much product just dispersing into the air, and it's getting all on it. It's getting all over my shoulders. It's getting on baby's head, and yeah, it's feeling a little dry. Okay, not as moisturizing as it was day 1, overnight, day 2-ish. It's not as moisturizing as it felt. Okay, I don't think my kid likes these baby wraps. Sorry, mommy is snowing on you. You don't like your head in there? Okay, we'll leave your head out. We'll let everyone see your mohawk. Okay, because clearly you have a mohawk. I have a situation, and I don't know what's what on my baby's head. Y'all, this is bad. It's all on my arms, and I just showered. All right, this is turned into a hot mess video. I'm not going to explain no more what it is. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and let me know what you think about my curls, you know. Or if you've tried this product. Okay, there is some flyaways, but let me know if you've tried this product. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.